And then finally again name letter in 99 I said that who? Mir Sadiq. Understood it? Now I said that we are going to see the first Anglo-Mysore war. First Anglo-Mysore war. And you know that even one Anglo-Mysore war, second, third, anyone can be also asked in your examination. In the soft note kind of it they can write. UPSC is always unpredictable. What is the full form of UPSC? Union Public Service Commission. Lekin U ki jagah unpredictable Public Service Commission. You know that every year it is in a do not predict, prepare for the worst. I said that first Anglo-Mysore war. इस स्टोरी को कहानी की तरह समझेंगे ध्यान से, then you can be able to understand what is happening. And always make the map. इस नोट्स में एक चीज रहेगा, ध्यान में रहेगा, जो आपको नोट दिया गया है, इसमें डायग्राम्स will not be there. I said this is, I said that it is in a this region was under the Mysore Empire. Understood? This region was under the Mysore Empire. First I am talking about 1766, and this side is who? And this side is who? Nizam. Understood? This is Maratha, this is Nizam. ध्यान से सुनेंगे. I said that first, अभी एंग्लो-मैसूर वॉर नहीं स्टार्ट हुआ, लेकिन स्टार्ट हो जाएगा इन बिटवीन. सो वी आर स्टार्टिंग विद द फर्स्ट एंग्लो-मैसूर वॉर. इन द 1766 में पहले मराठा ने अटैक किया, फिर हमने देखना है निजाम ने अटैक किया, एंड देयर आफ्टर ब्रिटिशर्स हैव अटैक्ड. अंडरस्टूड? क्लियर? दिस वे दिस वॉर विल फिनिश. अंडरस्टूड? आई सेड दैट 1766 हु अटैक्ड? Maratha. In 1768, who attacked? Nizam with the Britishers. Understood? पिक्चर समझ में आ रहा है? यदि पिक्चर दिमाग में रहेगा, जो कि बुक्स में नहीं रहता है, and you keep on reading it. 1766 who attacked? Maratha. And then 1768 Nizam with, I said that, British attack. Understood? Maratha, they have been able to win several parts of Mysore. Maratha was one of the greatest empire. Understood? You know that it was consist of Peshwa. It was in the Pune region and all. Peshwa, jo aap log. Then it is, I said that which one? Bhosle, that is in the Gujarat, this region, Gaikwad, then Holkar, then Sindhia. It consists of 5. So here it wins. So the Maratha has been able to, what is win some region of what I said that? Mysore. Understood? Then they have done some kind of, what is peace treaty they did. Peace treaty, and through the peace treaty 35 lakh rupees has been given to, किसको देना था? That time Marathas को. Understood? दिमाग में रहेगा, लिखते चलना ऐसे जैसे ये आपको याद हो जाएगा. 35 लाख, इसमें से इसने हाफ पेड कर दिया. Half has been paid, and then for the rest of the money के लिए उसने कोलार गोल्ड फील्ड सिक्योरिटी पे दे दिया कि आई पे यू लेटर ऑन, टिल देन यू कैन हैव कोलार गोल्डफील्ड. कोलार गोल्डफील्ड इन कर्नाटका दिस साइड. Understood? What is happening in the during this one? Maratha in 1766, Maratha attacked Mysore, and some of the region, several parts of the Mysore has been won by them, and then Maratha and Mysore did what? Peace treaty. Through the peace treaty, it has been said that in the war indemnity, loss of war, you have to pay us 35 lakhs. And 35 lakhs mein, I said that Hyder Ali has paid how much? Half. Hyder Ali ne kitna pay kiya? Half. And for the rest half ke liye he has given Kolar Goldfield on secretary. This issue is clear to you? This issue is clear? अब हम लोग किस issue की तरफ जा रहे हैं? Nizam and British. What I said that? Nizam and British. ध्यान में रखिएगा, this region of आंध्र रीजन जो ये है नॉर्थ सरकार, ये रीजन क्या है? नॉर्थ सरकार. ये दिमाग में रखेंगे आप. निजाम बहुत ही उल्टी चीज था वो. Shall I remove this? Understood? (1766) Maratha win several parts. He has attacked, and by attacking win several parts of Mysore, and then peace treaty took place between whom? Maratha and Mysore, and then 35 lakhs as a war indemnity he has to pay, and half paid and half, and for the rest of it is security purpose Kolar Goldfield has been given. इस चीज को देखकर 1768 में who attacked? Nizam and Britishers. Shall I remove now? Nizam and Britishers attacked Mysore. लेकिन in between what happened? Nizam became the side of Hyder Ali. बीच में ब्रिटिशर्स की वॉट लग गई. सो आई सेड दैट, सो कभी आप देखो ऐसे वार में कभी लड़ते लड़ते दूसरे के साइड हो जाओ. इट्स लुक लाइक आई सेड दैट किडिस बिहेवियर. एंड जब आप लोगों को कर्नाटिक वॉर भी बताएंगे तो निजाम के आप देखो क्या हो रहा है वहां. सो आई सेड दैट 1766-68 निजाम, और ऐसे यदि देखा जाए मुगल एम्पायर के रूप में चिंगलिज खान वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट रूलर ऑफ द मुगल एम्पायर, एंड निजाम वाज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट एम्पायर. लेकिन बाद में धीरे धीरे वॉट लग गया. सो 1768 निजाम and the Britishers attacked, but in between Nizam became the side of the what? Hyder Ali. Understood it? And when he became the side of the Hyder Ali, slowly and slowly this British Empire, यहाँ से British Empire, he has to recede back. इसे recede back करना पड़ा until Tiruchinappalli. He has to recede back. What? He become the side, and then Hyder Ali along his a disciplined army, he attacked, and then British Empire has to what? Recede back. British Empire has to what? Recede back. अब ये कहानी यहाँ खत्म हो गई. That is clear. और ये Anglo-Mysore war, first Anglo-Mysore war is going on. It means Britishers has been involved. Understood? And अब किसकी वोट लगाएगा ब्रिटिशर? Tell me. निजाम. Clear? He made a treaty with, अभी हम लोग इसी को कर रहे हैं, treaty with निजाम. और उसने बोला give me नॉर्थ सरकार ने तो तुम्हारी लुटिया गायब कर दूंगा मैं, तो उसने उसको नॉर्थ सरकार दे दिया। अंडरस्टूड? सो ड्यूरिंग द 1768 नॉर्थ सरकार कम अंडर द ओनली complete under the what? Britishers. Give me. So it is come under the what? Britishers. Second, he said that आपको हैदर अली was a real ruler or de facto ruler. तो वो de facto तो he was considered as a de facto, but the whole community of the India and the other parts of the world, European country, they do not understand de facto. They are saying something like that. इसने इसको क्या किया है? Confiscate किया है. Understood? So जब रूलर अपने अदर रूलर को बनाए कि तुम एक्ट करो, then it is in a de facto. But if the ruler has not made it, तो आपने उसको कब्जा कर लिया. That kind of it. So it is known as he said that कि निजाम को बोला you have to consider हैदर अली as usurper, कि उसने कॉन्फिस्केट किया हुआ है। तो निजाम बोला ओके, आई विल कंसीडर हिम एज एन व्हाट? usurper. Understood? North Sarkar. Then I said that consider, what do you have to consider? Hyder Ali as usurper. And अब नेक्स्ट 2 पॉइंट आ रहा है, आफ्टर डिफिटिंग मैसूर को डिफीट करने के बाद क्या होना चाहिए? आई सेड दैट वी विल पनिश हैदर अली and we will, and then Britishers will take Diwani rights of Mysore. The two things he said, that punishing Hyder Ali, यदि मैसूर डिफीट किया गया with the help of निजाम and Britishers, देन आपको पहले आपने टीटी के बाद तो जैसे टीटी किया, नॉर्थ सरकार हैज बीन टेकन एंड देन कंसीडर हैदर अली इज एन usurper. हैदर अली को क्या समझना है? एंड देन आफ्टर डिफीटिंग मैसूर, यदि हम लोग डिफीट करते हैं, सो वी विल पनिश हैदर अली एंड देन एम्पायर विल बी गिवन टू द ओडियार फैमिली एंड देन ब्रिटिशर्स विल टेक दीवानी राइट. दीवानी राइट मीन्स आई सेड दैट देयर विल बी, आई सेड दैट Diwani and Nizamat, 2 types of rights are there. Britishers use. Diwani means, I said that land revenue tax will be, and Nizamat right means military and administrative power. Understood? So Diwani rights, तो उसको तो पैसे से मतलब था, because East India Company was only like a trader, so he was not too much interested in it. So he said that after defeating, Britishers will take the Diwani rights. Again, क्या क्या 4 चीजें ट्रीटी में डाली गई? Yes, tell me. What are the 4 things? Yes, North Sarkar. Another word is usurper. And then after defeating, yes, said punish Hyder Ali, and then Diwani rights will go to, याद हो गया? Understood? ये करने के